Hi, Pat here. I have a H.H. Scott cassette deck model 675DM. This thing was made in 1980. I will fast forward and we'll rewind. When I hit play, it kicks in and shuts off. So I'm sure the transport needs some cleaning, so start tearing that out. The transport came out of this pretty easily. Everything just unplugged. And you can see a date there. 7th of March 1980. And somebody was in here. This thing about. It's a rubber band. So somebody put a rubber band in this thing. And that's just not going to work. I got the transport back in. Got the belts replaced. Got rid of this rubber band. Don't believe somebody put that in there. And I got all these. Sprayed a little deoxin in it. There's another pod back there for the recording pod. And this one here has an output level in the back. Shot a little deoxin in that. Put a little bit in the pipe cleaner. And I got inside all these. Just clean them up a little bit and got the outside. So let's do a little testing on this. I got things back together. And I got my 3000 Hertz test tape in. And I'm running pretty good. Plus or minus 1, but all in all, that's pretty solid. I'm trying a little recording on this thing. And rewind it a little bit. And see how it sounds. So the recording's looking good. I got store-bought tape in right now. And it's sounding good too, so this tape deck came out pretty nice. Thanks for watching the video.